This video is about a product comparison between 44 20008 and 44 20008D. Both are two very similar valves, but you can see here that the 44 20008 have two flat sides and two round sides. The flat portion of it go all the way to the base of the valve, and here's the 20008D. As you can see, it have four flat sides, and the flat side stop in the middle of the brass stem. The 44 20008D is designed strictly to fit Dodge and Chrysler vehicle. Both stem came with its own screw, as you can see here. And that's it for the product comparison.